Top 5 Best Gimbals for GoPro Hero 10. Number 5. FeiyuTech G6 Max. Another multifunctional gimbal with 9 different shooting modes and a large, low-power OLED screen is the FeiyuTech G6 Max. All you need is a GoPro mount adapter along. Every axis comes with a physical motor lock for greater stability and quicker setup. The upside to G6 Max is the superb magic focus ring, which lets you control parameters like zoom or focus, 3-axis rotation, the ISO, white balance, and exposure with greater precision. It features a new strong magnetic and high-torque brushless motor that makes it compatible with so many other models. The G6 Max is compact and yet loaded with brilliant features, which makes it a perfect choice for anyone who wishes to unleash a new set of photography experiences. Coming in number 4. Zhiyun Crane M3. Zhiyun Crane M3 is a notch above the others when it comes to high-end gimbals. It is compatible with a lot of other cameras as well. The one thing to note here is that if you are a GoPro Hero 10 owner, you would have to get a GoPro mount adapter along for it to work well. Crane 3 is a compact yet powerful gimbal with an integrated 800 lumen LED light. Along with great build quality and stabilization, it features an all-new full-color touchscreen with advanced UI design and an intuitive interface. Though a minor fallback is that all controls won't work for GoPro, but other than that it is an incredible gimbal with the best design and features. A great asset for all the filmmakers out there. Coming in number 3. Evo SS. A highly durable and versatile gimbal offering brilliant stabilization performance is the Evo SS. Though it is a little expensive with the given features and functionalities, it is worth the price. You can now enjoy smoother, cinematic quality videos and easy mounting without any difficulty. The main attraction of Evo SS for GoPro is its turn-back mode. It comes up with the understated 3.4mm AV audio and video audio port. The gimbal features a 1/4 to 20 thread and provides you with a 4 kHz refresh rate. Apart from the fast motion and walking modes, you can also create your profiles. Isn't that just amazing? All in all, it is a great pick. Coming in number 2. Hohem iSteady Pro 4. Undoubtedly the best gimbal for GoPro Hero 10 is the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. Not only is the gimbal affordable but also insanely compatible with the Hero 10. With a strong and durable outer packed with some superb features, the iSteady Pro 4 is a delight for all videographers and filmmakers. This splash-proof gimbal offers brilliant stabilization and impressive 14-hour-long battery life. The small yet comfortable hand grip features several controls along with a joystick to electronically adjust the pan and tilt. It comes with an angled gimbal arm and a trigger at the back of the handle which allows easy access to the device. Overall, it is a spectacular device packed with numerous interesting features available at a pocket-friendly price. Coming in number 1. Inkee Falcon 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Designed especially for action cameras and highly compatible with almost all GoPros including Hero 10, the Inkee Falcon 3-axis gimbal stabilizer is one of the most loved gimbals by GoPro users. It is super compact and lightweight, you can carry it anywhere without any hassle. The gimbal features multiple shooting modes, motion time-lapse, and a 360-degree horizontal panning range. Apart from taking almost negligible space in your backpack, it is very easy to set up and use. A total catch for the content creators is the vertical shooting mode. It features a joystick to control the movement and framing along with the wireless control via Bluetooth 5.0, which is just great.